supposedly for yesterday.
Mic check.
Mic check.
Original appointment, Kinsay supposedly for yesterday.
Ano kami tayo? Psychological test. May kape, wala may kaon. So good luck. Psychology na. Sa damages. Ay! Psychology ko lang. Awang ang pin nila. Yun lang yun sila. Psychology yan. Tagabay sa mga ko sa just. Sila. Sila mo yun. Pero pag sa Maltec, black.
Ganit. Sa boarding house?
Wala na yung pastel mo. Ay, awaw. Malaming awaw.
Na?
Pagkahog, maluoy na pa.
Ganun.
Hello guys. Baliktad. Hello guys.
Mic check.
Mic check.
Mic check. Is this working?
Yes, it's working. I assure you.
I'll show you. It's
Oh
your
my
lemonade.
God, I have you.
Wait lang, your lemonade. Guys, this is our matcha.
Matcha.
We're gonna try this. We're whispering kasi.
We're going to eat.
Ano?
As non-alcoholic people, we are
Wait lang,
just.
guys. We're gonna arrange everything.
Should we clip this on?
I don't have
Still
an area.
working.
Wala akong area mag-clip. This is so
can put
sad. Here.
Yeah. It's
Do you
still.
think they can hear me?
I
Sorry,
hope so.
guys.
But not the the malakas
Do you
talaga.
this?
You need to
Guys, so it's a magnet, y'all.
yeah. You should buy this, guys.
Thank
Yeah.
guys, I'm so stupid.
You should get your food.
So stupid, y'all.
Okay, but for first things first, you need to drink water. Tapos
Yeah.
nakuha ko dun sa pinagagawa
Photoshop.
namin. I just,
This place is so cute, y'all.
yeah. You can romanticize your,
Like
ano,
here.
yeah.
Ang over naman. Over naman si romance. We're doing a vlog, y'all. Anak me. Thank you so much.
Naka-upload na ka?
Wala. Ano mo ko ganyan?
Nag-live ka ganyan.
Wala. Video lang ba?
Ay.
It's the intro of my
So,
vlog,
I
guys.
am the date.
She's
the
my
date.
date. Wait. I think we're gonna eat na and then after we're gonna yap.
We're gonna yap.
I hope
and
you
then
guys can hear me
We're gonna yap about China.
about what we want. Ano wanna. Guys, this is so cute.
I want to,
What we want. What do you want?
like parang,
And then, forgot natin naka-mic tayo. Guys, I'm gonna rate this. Actually, guys, we did not expect na magagabihan kami.
oo, akala namin,
We're
lang.
gonna end here around 5.
Do you have lakad after this?
No,
Okay.
I cancel everything.
Oh,
I hope you guys can hear me. Kasi yung ano ko yung damit ko.
I think I should just need tissue and then I'm gonna,
We have tissue here.
where?
Here and here.
Yummy. Is it okay?
It's protein, y'all.
It's protein, it has carbs because
Yeah.
of the bread. It's yummy.
Di ba I told you? Guys, their service here is so good.
Have you been there? Here?
No. For based
Reviews.
reviews, I don't think they deserve that review. Pero guys, look at our background. So cute, right?
Yeah, we're like in our dream.
Do you think ano tayo? Fucking vloggers.
What?
Baka isipin nila we're a fucking vlogger.
I don't care.
Yes, we are.
Yes, Lauren is, but I still don't edit my videos.
Please watch our vlog. Tapos 20 subscribers lang. Diba?
Go good.
Guys, we're just trying their muffins kasi daw masarap.
Yeah,
But we also ordered matcha.
yeah. I should try matcha. As a matcha lover,
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
cheers. Okay lang. Like, yeah.
I feel like, maano mo siya, makompare mo siya sa lahat.
Sa iba. Siyempre.
It's
It's just,
a matcha lover, guys.
it's just so-so. It's yummy. But it's so-so, right?
Yeah.
But the bagel is so yummy.
Diba? So affordable. Ang daming laman. This is so... Ay, hindi, lamano daw yun.
Yung lamano yung dito na area.
Okay.
Dun sa tulip.
Sorry guys.
I think it's pricey.
Super.
Yeah.
I checked it. Hindi sila for them, it's not pricey kasi may work na sila. As na,
Tapos na pala mo nun.
and
I still consider.
we're so considerate and responsible for our finances.
Yeah.
Diba?
But honestly, I am not responsible.
Yes,
Like
guys,
TBH.
she's not responsible. Every day she went to coffee shop and taste every matcha.
Because I love matcha. That's my fixation.
Yeah. People are coming now.
Okay. That's good.
So
So that my customer na sila.
welcome.
I love lettuce. So yummy. And we're so pretty.
Diba? Yeah.
We vibe so much.
Guys, finally. Actually, we planned this for almost a month,
Yeah.
3 months.
Since our first term.
Yeah.
Alright.
July or
Yeah,
August?
July. July is June, July. August? I think August. August, September, October.
November. Yeah, see?
Crazy.
This is it. And we have a fire photos, yo.
Yeah, I love it so much. But we didn't take a lot of photos in my Digicam because we are overwhelmed. It's really hard to make sabay all of the mediums that you have.
All the phones, the cameras.
Yeah, it's really hard.
Actually, we did not do the TikTok.
Oh my god, we can still do this later. What time is it? It's
5:40.
5:40. And my class will start at 8:30.
Okay, 30 pa man. We're gonna do it, guys. We're gonna be in our TikTok era.
Yeah.
She's natataranta and everything.
I'm not. I'm just chill.
Chill?
Yeah.
Chill?
Chill.
Chill.
Alam niyo ba guys, di ba anak ko sa mo kagahapon?
Saan?
Karon pa ako mag-report. Naka-report ko gahapon. Legit.
Wait.
Pero may ganin, anak ko script daan. Pero okay naman po niya. Gipotindog pa dyan may tanan sa tubangan niya. Gi-question me.
Kinsa yun yung professor?
Katong bago. Ken? Ano to, Kem? Basta katong bago to siya. Kaya wala man si Sir Jolan.
Guys, do you think it's working?
Kita na. Ano daw?
Hindi ko nakita.
Okay, hayaan niyo na lang yun. Because I have something to tell you.
Hi guys, nakikita. We are here. Hello, bye. Hi guys, here's a matcha pumpkin. How much money? 80. What's a bit?
Look,
Kanina pa kita, guys. Bago kita mag-shot, guys. Kanina pa kita, makapakita ng pumili.
Pulutan.
Mas makatipid pag doon eh.
Piso lang yung hugsan, guys. Hindi, palukatin ko yan. Hindi, ano yan, kasi sitan ko. Guys, SM is, very...
Yan, sada!
Nasa iya? Balik ka, balik ka. Uy, pag-hi ka mo. Hi, vlog. Diyan namin.